In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam error code 2 quickly and easily. This is a common error that can appear when launching a game through Steam, and it usually happens because Steam isn't running with the correct permissions or because the game process is stuck in the background. The good news is that this problem is usually very easy to fix, and you can solve it in just a few minutes by following a few simple steps. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can get back to playing your game as soon as possible. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into the fix. The first thing you want to do is completely close Steam. Sometimes Steam keeps background processes running even after you close the window, and those processes can cause error code 2. To make sure Steam is fully closed, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard to open the Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list of running processes and find anything related to Steam. This may appear as Steam, Steam Client Bootstrapper, Steam Client Web Helper, or Steam.exe. If you see any of these, click on them and then click End Task. Also check for any game processes that may still be running and end those as well. Once everything related to Steam is closed, you're ready for the next step. Now locate your Steam shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu. Right-click on the Steam shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. Running Steam with administrator privileges allows it to properly access system files and game folders, which often resolves error codes 2 immediately. Once Steam opens again, log into your account if necessary and go to your Steam library. In your library, find the game that was showing the error. Right-click on that game and click on Properties. A new window will open with several options on the left side. Click on Local Files, then select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan the game installation and check if any files are missing, corrupted, or incorrectly installed. If Steam finds any issues, it will automatically download and replace the broken files. This process may take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, so just let it finish completely. After the verification process finishes, close the Properties window and try launching the game again from your library. In most cases, the game should now start normally without showing Steam error code 2. If you still see the error, you can also try restarting your computer to clear any remaining background processes before launching Steam again as administrator. And that's it. That's how you fix Steam error code 2 quickly and safely. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.